So we're here at CES 2014, and this is A80. What is this?
Yeah, so this is an A80 development board that we've just announced here at CES. This is actually pretty special. We've got it as a breakout board and expansion board that we'll be providing to some early customers for this chip. So basically we have a lot of different connections on here for JTAG debugging, DC-in, battery connections, some ports. Also have HDMI out. This has about 2 gigs of RAM on it, Ethernet. So it's also a camera, MIPI camera interface for connecting up a camera, doing some early stage testing.
And you show around the ports and all that? Sure.
So in this we've got a, as I mentioned, a JTAG connector, DC in port, battery, HDMI out, 2 USB 2.0s, a USB 3.0 port, also the MIPI camera interface. Turn it around this way. UART expansion, Ethernet in, GPIOs, GMAC, also an earphone jack connection. As I mentioned, the 2 gigs of RAM on there. Also, you can see there's the combo connect communication.
So we can see here all the spec sheet. So is this what do you call this board? What is it for? Is it for development or?
Yeah, this is the name of this board is the OptimusBoard, and we're calling it OptimusBoard just to have a little bit of demonstration of the power of the chip. So we're just trying to emphasize it's an ultra octa-core chip, 4 A7s, 4 A15s. They can all run simultaneously. So it's going to be a pretty impressive chip, and this is just a platform to demonstrate features in the early stage.
So here you say this is the world's leading ultra-core.
Right.
You mean it?
Yeah. We're really positive about the chip because of the performance of A7s and A15s together. We're also really positive about the graphics performance on the chip. So we're really excited to be able to get this out to customers as soon as possible.
Could you say something about this poster? What do you mean, like number 1 first? What is here?
Yeah, so this is, we've released an Android 4.4. We've released an Android 4.4 KitKat SDK to customers right now. So with these, we Allwinner are our quad-core processors right now. First running KitKat OS. Highest market share in the market right now. Powering many GMS certified tablets. A lot of customers have already passed GMS using A31, A31S. We run pretty smoothly on low RAM configuration, so 512 megabytes. Android 4.4 has done some optimization for that, and we're pretty pleased with the performance. And
you're showing some of the latest interesting tablets also.
Sure.
What do these do?
So this is, as I mentioned, this is Android. This is A31S running on HP's compact model. So this is the Compact 8 shipping from HP right now. This is our quad-core A31S product. This is also another interesting tablet that we're showing here at CES. This is a 4G tablet that's running on a 9.7-inch tablet, 2048 by 1536 resolution.
Nice. So 4G LTE inside.
Yep.
That's awesome. How does that work? I mean, there's no modem from Allwinner, right?
Sure. So we're integrating a 4G module on the board. And then customers, based on their markets, there's different modes for different markets, different band supports. So based on the customer's market, they can talk to their supplier.
It's not worldwide LTE. It's either US or the rest of the world. Is that something like that?
It depends. Like in development, customers usually have to specify to the supplier so what market they want to ship to, because the bands, the LTE bands for a lot of different markets are different. So it's flexible.
And here's another LTE.
This is actually a dual SIM, dual standby tablet that's running on, which is a device running the A23 processor, our dual-core A7. So this is actually 2.75G, an Edge tablet.
Edge, so dual SIM on a dual-core A23.
Yep, so it runs pretty fast, dual-core.
So anything else you would say about the octa-core? Is it going to be huge?
Yeah. We're, like I mentioned, we're very excited because it's going to be one of the first chipsets in the market that has really great graphics performance coming from PowerVR. We're actually really excited because we're delivering a simultaneous 8-core operation to customers. So we're working right now with some lead partners to get out solutions in the market that'll be very competitive, very smooth. So
this is the PowerVR 6 series, right?
Yes.
This is the newest.
Yeah. Newest and latest.
OpenGL 3.
Yeah, supports OpenGL ES 3.0. It's also optimized for GPU compute. So one of the other interesting applications for this development board is being able to get this in the hands of a lot of parallel application developers, because you have 8 cores, you have 8 CPU cores, and you also have a GPU that's designed specifically for parallel application development. So we're really excited about the potentials of this chip for running parallel computing.
But this is ultra high performance, so that means more work for software engineers also.
Yeah, but Allwinner is a company we've been around. We're known in the tablet market as a market leader, so we're confident in our software performance for this chip, and it's something that we're making sure that when this product gets to market, that it's going to be stable and reliable and smooth for customers.
But what I mean is also more opportunities in software. You could do Chrome, perhaps. You can do a whole bunch of other things.
Yeah. So I mean, if you talk about the advantage of multi-core in tablets, you obviously have Chrome that supports multi-core operation for multi-tabs. Also, when you look at something like a big.LITTLE configuration, we call it full flex. When you look at being able to either use the A7 or A15s for different operations, what you get is the ability, in some use cases like opening up applications, the ability to use the high performance of the A15s very quick for bursts of performance. So in that way you can reduce application loading time. So we think the Octa core chip with A7s and A15s, it really represents a more flexible processing architecture. It's a dual architecture for Android tablets and also other OSs.
And the power consumption is going to be really good?
Yeah. That's something we're optimizing.
All right, so looking forward to this. How soon?
Very soon. We expect in first quarter of this year to have customers shipping devices.
Shipping in the first quarter?
Oh, first half, sorry.
First half, okay. But first quarter you are shipping this board or what?
Yeah.
So this is going to... All right.
We're shipping these boards first quarter.
All right. Anybody will be able to buy them, or only special people?
We have quantities allotted for early customers, but if anyone is interested in these, we're more than happy to start talking to people immediately.